Hi there, I'm George from Green Feathers and I'm here today to run you through how to set up our wired high definition bird box camera, the audio version. The start point with all of our cameras is always with the instructions. Have a little read through, it's got great hints and tips on how to get the best out of your camera. We're going to run you through how to set this camera up in standard definition mode. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start by setting this up inside the house, okay? We want to get the camera working and on your television set before we go take it down the garden and put it inside a bird box. That way, if we need to do any troubleshooting, it's really easy to solve and everything's all together. The start point is going to be on the TV side. We're going to take the AV to HDMI converter and we're going to plug it into the power. Inside the kit, you get a micro USB power cable. You plug that into here and then you've got a few options. You can either use a 3-pin USB plug, or if your TV has a USB connection on the back, you can power it from that. Today, we're going to be using a 3-pin plug. The next thing we need to do now is to connect the AV to HDMI converter to your television set. Within your kit, you get your HDMI cable, and you need to plug that into the HDMI output on the side of the converter. The next thing we come to in the setup is the cable. The side that goes to the TV has a female 2.1 power jack, the BNC connector and the RCA audio connector. To make this work, we take the BNC to RCA converter and we put it in to the BNC connection here. It goes in and it twists and clicks into place. You now take the converted cable and you put it into the yellow slot. You take the RCA cable and you put it into the white slot. The next thing we take is the power supply for the camera. This one, again, goes into the female 2.1mm power jack, and the other part goes into the mains. Now that we've got the television side of the cable set up, we move on to the camera side. On the camera side, clearly labelled, we've got the BNC video out, we've got the power in, and we've got the RCA audio out. The corresponding cables as such need to be connected. So we'll start with the twist fit BNC. It goes in and it twists into place. The next piece of the puzzle is the RCA audio connection, where we take the RCA connector and we plug that into the camera. Now, the final thing that we do is we put the power into the camera. On our cameras, it should be set to standard definition. This is CVBS mode, and on here you have the label showing you how to do so. Here this is saying that it needs to be pushed to the right hand side. To double check this, on the little button I grab and hold it to the right for around about 20 seconds. The final thing that we need to do is we need to change the input on the television set. On our TV, on the remote, we press source and we select the HDMI. So we hit source, choose it, and there we are. We've got the bird box camera in all its glory on our TV set. If you need any more help, please go to green-feathers.co.uk/help. Thank you very much for watching today.